Hello chess lovers, Suren here, and I have another mind-blowing game for you. With the white pieces playing an American-Austrian-Dutch chess master Hans Kmoch, and his opponent is a Dutch chess player Lodewijk Prins. The game was played in 1940 in Amsterdam. Hans Kmoch had white pieces and he started with d4, knight f6 by Prins, c4, g6, knight f3, bishop g7, knight c3 and d5. Black goes for Gruenfeld defense. Queen b3, Hans Kmoch is choosing the Russian system. White is putting more pressure on black's central outpost on d5, practically forcing black to capture on c4, thus gaining central preponderance. And b6, of course not the most popular move. Usually black is castling kingside, and after e4 there is even a variation starting with knight f6, which is called after Lodewijk Prins himself. This is called Prince variation. But after queen takes c4, b6 was played. e4, black castles kingside, e5, and instead of moving away his knight, black played bishop e6, counterattacking white queen. But in this position, Hans Kmoch came up with a shocking decision. He captured on f6 and went for a jaw-dropping queen sacrifice. Bishop takes c4 was played, f takes g7. The rook is also hanging, that's why black recaptured on g7 with the king, and bishop takes c4 was played. Against the queen, white got 3 pieces and a more preferable position. Knight c6 was played, bishop e3, knight b4. Already there is a very nasty threat, that's why white castled kingside. Knight c2, rook d1, knight takes e3, f takes e3 and c6, which gives white a huge advantage. Well, it was better to play e6 and block the bishop's diagonal. Instead, c6 was played. Now comes knight g5 and already black is facing serious problems. Only now e6 was played. Black is protecting the pawn on f7, but this actually allows white to go for a beautiful combination. You can pause the video and try to find Hans Kmoch's next moves. Ready? In this position, Hans Kmoch played rook takes f7. This is actually another nail in the coffin, and after rook takes f7 he captured on e6 and Prince resigned. If king g8, then knight takes d8. If rook takes d8, then white is also winning the rook, and in the end of the day white has an extra knight and an extra pawn, and this is an easy win. That's why in view of all this, after knight takes e6 check, black resigned. A very impressive queen sacrifice, I think, though after the queen sacrifice the position was equal with a slightly preferable position for white, but this final combination just blew apart black's position. Thanks for watching. Here are more suggestions for you, and for more games don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Good luck.